Hello, what's up everyone? Today we are here from Sira CreationZ and we are unboxing virtual reality box version 2.0 with the Bluetooth remote. As you can see, I ordered it from Flipkart for 550. Now let's see. So here it is, the box. The packaging was quite good, as you had seen. And now this is, I guess, the Bluetooth remote. Here is the remote. As you can see, it's nice size. It's the size of my palm. And they have not provided any batteries with it. I guess we'll have to take it from home. And the feel is quite good. The plastic is quite cheap. It's not very good quality, but I guess you'll get this is the most you'll get from 550. Now let's see. Here is the complete set, the VR box and the remote control. It comes with a microfiber cloth to properly clean the lens provided. And as I see, it is a defective piece as I cannot see a lens here for the left eye. I guess it's stuck inside. Let's see, as we are going to return it now, we can do anything. I'm still trying to figure out how this works. This was a lens control, but I cannot see the lens here. The internal parts are also broken. So here, that's all for this video. As the quality of the plastic of the VR itself is very good. The remote is not very well, but as you can see, this is a defective piece, so we cannot give you a first impressions of how this will work. I'll get a replacement and soon make a better video with reviews and everything. In case you are wondering, it works with 4 to 6 inches of screens, and I ordered it for my Redmi Note 3. I guess I'll have to wait to check it out. Thank you, that's all for this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to our channel.